Today we're looking at this hidden camera. It is super tiny. Here's a dollar bill and a quarter for you to see the size comparison. There's two USB ports, but I wouldn't use this to charge your phone because it will take forever. Like my phone said, it will take 14 hours to fully charge my phone. On this side, there's the micro SD card. Everything is recorded to this micro SD card. It will record audio as well, but interestingly enough, there's no way you can stream audio to your phone or tablet. There's a cover so you can cover everything up. This cover is not symmetrical, as I'm finding out right now. So I need to take it apart and put it back in the other way to make sure that it's nice and flush. They did give you a guitar pick for you to pop the cover out, but I lost it already, so that's why I'm using this blade. Alright, here we go. It is all nice and flush now. Once it is in, it's very hard to pull the cover out manually with your fingernails. Now it's time to configure the camera using the official app, which is the CamDuck app. You need to enable GPS and allow the app to have access to it. Do you want the app to send you notification? Sure, why not? To add this camera in, go ahead and click on the plus icon in the upper right hand corner. Be sure you enable all of these permissions, otherwise the app will not work. I'm going to click on the first option, remote monitor settings. We need to configure this to jump onto the Wi-Fi network in your home. If you don't have a Wi-Fi router, it's okay. You can view the camera straight to your phone, which is the second option. I want to see my camera remotely from anywhere in the world, so I'm going to select the first option. This camera, I believe, is the Model T, so we'll select that. Now let's jump to your Wi-Fi settings. Plug the camera into the outlet. As soon as you see the Wi-Fi access point that starts with CAM, connect to it immediately. Otherwise, the Wi-Fi access point will fade away and you'll need to unplug the camera and then plug it back into the outlet again. There we go. We can see the CamDuck Wi-Fi access point. We're going to connect to it. The password will be CamDuck66. Now it's going to add the camera to your Wi-Fi network. This process will take about 3 to 4 minutes, so be patient or get some ice cream. When it's all done, click on the play icon to view the camera in real time. By default, the image quality is 720p. Click on 1080p to make the image appear clearer. There is a slight delay, maybe about 1.5 to 2 seconds delay. Here, I'm wiggling my arms, my fingers, to see how bad the delay is. It's not too bad. It's typical of any IP camera. Down the bottom, if you click on SD card, you can see all of the previous recordings. There's none right now because I just plugged the camera in. On the upper right hand corner, click on the 3 dots to get you into the menu. In here, you can rename the camera as you want. I'm going to rename it to something more meaningful like charger. On the upper left hand corner, you can see the screen lighting. If you rotate the tablet or the phone, you'll go into full screen mode. In this option, you'll see various icons appear. This will let you rotate the image mirror mode. On the right side, you can adjust the brightness or contrast. I left it at default. Overall, I would say this camera is pretty good. It's a hidden camera. It is super tiny. Once plugged into the wall, you have no idea whether this is a camera or not. It looks just like a regular phone charger, right? Too bad this thing does not have ONVIF or RTSP, meaning there's no way you can hook this up to your NVR, network video recorder, to record footages for longevity, for instance. It is not your typical PoE or even IP camera. It's just a simple camera that you can view on your phone or tablet and record everything straight to the microSD card. Alright, hopefully this video helps you decide whether this hidden camera is right for you. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel. liking this video, and thanks for watching.